Hey guys, it's Madison. Welcome back to my channel. So I didn't worry about putting this backdrop up because today we're doing a room tour. And like a lot of you guys have asked, like, what kind of stuff do you do? Sorry. What kind of stuff, like where do you do your makeup or whatever? So you guys will see. And like literally not that long. So let's go. Let's get right into this video. So you walk in. I'm gonna close the door. One Direction picture and a weird thing, and Moana, because Moana's great. We got this full-length mirror. I'm ugly, but it's okay. We got this full-length mirror, and the thing behind it that says "Filming Do Not Disturb," which I usually put up. And then my little, oh great, I forgot that was hanging up on the wall. Are you kidding? Anyway, and a little boa, and then like this poster that my friend Hannah made, my best friend. It's covered up right now, and I don't really know why, but I think its thumbtacks are holding up this mirror. So yeah, anyway, let me turn this way. My countdown to the Shawn Mendes concert. We have all the movies that I've been to, and this is the Buford Flower Branch football game last year. I have a picture of me and Jackson, and then just a picture of Jackson. Then we have our homecoming picture from freshman year, and it says Illuminate and Madison. And then I have a bunch of roses up there because roses are my favorite. And then also after The Bachelor, after each episode of The Bachelor, I take this rose right here, and I guess who, like I say who my rose would have gone to. But then we have Louis and Harry because they got to be together, and we got Sean on the lights. My calendar, this just says director and we need a Grammy, and that's a long story. Then we have my TV, which only plays movies. We got some movies right here that I forgot to put back. Hot Chick, Clueless, Meet the Parents, and something else I can't really see it. And then a little giraffe, because giraffes are my favorite animals. And then I have like just my fancy shoes and stuff under there and all the wires for the TV. Then we have my Sweet 16 little desk thing. Has all the people that came to my party. They all signed it, and so I keep it up here to remind me about how cool it was. And I have this little thing that says Madison's Sweet 16. Markers that I use for the whiteboard. A 1D thing that Miss Paramore gave me, shout out. It's a picture of me and Karen. I was going to take her to Homeco last year, but it didn't happen. A One Direction poster. Then up here we have my Granny Tatum's Angel, which I keep over here to remind me of her. A little picture of Katniss Everdeen. Some Jeff Gordon things, because, you know, NASCAR. You'll notice a lot of these little, what are these, dream catchers in my room because I like them and I collect them and they're really nice. So while I was editing, I realized that I didn't show you this dream catcher. It's the prettiest one. It's orange and it's got some different neon colors in there, and then this little dangly thing that I made that hooks to the light. I broke the one that, and then I broke the actual one that goes to the legit light, so this one actually just goes to the fan. I'm not supposed to be touching this. It's going to let all the bad dreams out. Sorry, I really like dream catchers. Where did that one go? Okay, I usually have one hanging on that, my phone, on that little clip right there. Can you see it? But I don't know where it is. But, yeah, okay, I just wanted to say that about the Dreamcatcher's ball. It was part of this. I have phone cases. Let's see if I can get up here. There's a lot of dust. I can barely this tall. There's solar eclipse glasses and a dino charger. Because let's see. I can't reach it. Okay. Oh, don't fall, Granny. And we have a dino charger because I'm 6 years old and love Power Rangers. Closet, I'm not going to show you the inside because it's not necessarily clean. We have mine and Sauls matching jackets. Well, matching color jackets in the book bag. No, stop. And then another wall of like solid One Direction. Here, I'll like back up and show you guys. Just a solid 1D wall. Man, I gotta fix that right there. But anyway. We have a ladder because the roof of my room looks like this. I have posters everywhere. Let's see, yeah. All the way around the roof. And I have like some over there, things like that, and I have like these high ones right there. The high posters and things like that thing. That stupid thing. Anyway, so that's why I have a ladder. I have a lot of poster board because I do like to make some of my own posters. Like this one. glambymadss. Subscribe. Okay, there's the promo. We have these buckets filled with like organized stuff. This is all my shower stuff. Some lotions, some of my own face stuff that I make. Things like that. Index cards. Awards. I have 2 medals clipped onto one because I don't know what I did with the other thing. A chicken necklace. Don't ask. Selfie stick for whenever I have to vlog. Things like that. A fan that I don't really use right now because it gets freezing in my room all the time. Backdrop. We all know about it. My ID. Gross. One Direction perfume. Actually, this is the first bottle of One Direction perfume that I have emptied. And I still have more. This thing says work that crown. These are a bunch of beads from New Year's and I just kept them. There's a Shawn Mendes thing from his concert. It's a rock. It's not a boulder. It's a rock. We have a lot of thumbtacks because I was hanging up some more of the posters that fell down. So we got a lot of thumbtacks, a little black Jeep, a thing of Sharpies. We have drawers right here. I'll just show you a few of them that are slightly organized. Perfumes and lotions. I have a lot. Apparently a pack of nerds on a gum wrapper. I don't know. Let's see if any more are actually organized. The second one right here is kind of organized. It's got perfume boxes, some art stuff, pencils, a baby picture of me. So cute before. I won't show you the rest. And my telescope, because I'm a big stars fan. I like stars a lot. Behind there we have a Harry Styles poster and a Shawn Mendes poster, and I think we have a few more. We have this random picture of Cameron Dallas, because why not? Hoko this year, Niall, 5 Seconds Summer, more ceiling posters. We have, now we're getting close to the makeup. We have this, all of this Shawn Mendes. We have this little thing right here. I have my concert tickets, some One Directions, Cameron Dallas, Shawn, some of my best friends, and my family. And then look at that, it's me on my phone, and me in the mirror. Look at this one. Okay. And my computer, because I'm usually listening to One Direction. Let's see. I'm literally constantly listening to music. I'm listening to AM by One Direction at the moment. And, you know, the things connect, hair bows, some stuff that I usually need. I have a bunch of art stuff. I have, like, paints and whatever. Some gum, because I, like, literally always chew gum. We got my Bible. Yes, I drew on it. Don't come at me. And it's got, like, little stuff. I accidentally ripped some of it. And, yeah. Okay, I drew on it. Don't come at me. And, like, some just bookmark pages in the Bible with stuff that's important to me. My James Charles palette, because I always keep it next to me. Water, because I cannot literally do anything without water. We have some storage, makeup storage shelves down there. And also this huge thing is full of makeup too. Then my bed, I'll show it to you from this way. My bed looks like a 4-year-old's bed, because it's got like little princess thingy. But I feel special when I'm in it, okay? I feel like a legit queen, like a princess, okay? And I like to feel like a princess sometimes, so get over it. Then, yeah, the comforter matches the little pink vibe I got going on. And I got my favorite stuffed animals. Cancy Stripes and Ella. One Direction pillows. And some Shawn Mendes pictures back there, and a little Harry Styles. And there's a little thing up there that's One Direction. I usually like to say, guess how many One Directions there are in here. My favorite slippers. Says Glam Girl on them, and this one's just sparkly because got me sparkles and you got me hooked, boy. You know what I'm saying? Anything glitter, I like. But yep, that's about it. I gotta finish adding posters to here and here, and I'm also gonna put some like right behind the fans, things like that. And then I also have to add one right there. I think it's going to be a bachelor themed one. I'll probably do those soon. I don't know. And I got to attach that poster over there back up. But let's go for fun. So that's my room. It just looks like a typical teenage fangirl room. That's about it. My room's not that special, not that... What is my hair? What is this? Whatever. My room's not that special. It's just a bunch of posters. Like, you walk in and you're kind of like... It kind of looks messy and not clean because there is so many posters. But I like the posters because I'm a fangirl. Also, why am I breathing so hard? I don't know why I was out of breath. So if I was out of breath for like half that thing, and you just hear me breathing really weird, then I'm sorry. But I can't breathe through my nose, okay? I can't breathe through my nose, and so I have to breathe really hard. So, sorry if you had to experience me breathing really hard the whole time, because I can't breathe through my nose because these stupid white trees outside, okay? Bradford pear trees or whatever they are. I want to cut them all down because they literally mess with my sinuses. I mean, also, I wanted to say that I know that today's video is supposed to be an art video, but I changed my mind because, you know, people's minds change. So, sorry if you guys got your hopes up about the art video because I was not feeling it today. I had a busy day yesterday, and I was like, it was a no. It was a no-go. Anyway, I love you guys, and you know, ooh, the emoji of the day, some pink emoji. I don't care what it is. I need more of you guys to comment this stupid emoji, okay? Because I get no interaction. So comment, please. Comment, like, subscribe. Come on now. But anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.